learn about prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters added before a word to change its meaning. Here are some common prefixes. D, that means become less or go down. Example, decrease. That means to go down. Dis means opposite. Example, disagree. That makes the opposite of agree. N means cause. Example, enable. That means to make able. Pre means before. Example, prevent. That means to stop before something happens. Re means again. Example, rebuild. That means to build again. Trans means across or through. Example, transport. That means to carry across. Un means not or remove. Example, unlikely. That means not likely. Let's solve the exercise from the book. Here we have to make new words with the help of given prefixes. Pause the video, think about this, and form correct words. For prefix, D, decline, deflate. For dis, disapprove, dislike. For N, enrich, encourage. For pre, predict, preheat. For rewrite, redo. For trans, translate, transform. For unhappy, unclear. Answers may vary. Sentence comparison activity. Now, let's compare the meanings of the given sentence pairs. Say S if the sentences have the same meaning. Say O if they have the opposite meaning. The meaning is the same. The meaning is the same. The meaning is opposite. The meaning is the same. The meaning is opposite. The meaning is opposite. The meaning is the same. Part 2. Suffixes. Now we will learn how suffixes change the meaning and form of words. Let's begin. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word to make a new word. It can change the meaning or the part of speech. We will see a table full of examples from the book to understand how suffixes work and help us to form different words. You should pause the video and have a look. Try to familiarize yourself with the examples. Here's an important spelling rule to remember when adding suffixes. If a word ends in a consonant followed by the letter Y, change the Y to I before adding a suffix like able, full, or ness. Let's see some examples. But if the word ends in a vowel plus Y, keep the Y. Examples. Here is an exercise from the book. Pause the video and solve it. Let's solve another exercise from the book, which is about correcting the word forms. Celebrate will become celebration. Accept will become acceptable. Agree will become agreement. Politics will become political. Fright becomes frightens. Special will be specialize. Here is one more exercise from the book. Follow the instructions and solve this. Harmless, useful, reliable, careful, enjoyable, thoughtful. Great job! You've learned how suffixes can change words into nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Practice more to master them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar videos.